When you want to convert an ODT file to a PDF in OpenOffice, this is exactly the video you need to watch. To begin, go to the top left corner and click on File. From the menu, you will see two options, Export and Export as PDF. For now, go ahead and select Export as PDF. A small PDF options window will appear. This is where you can control the quality of your PDF file. You can reduce the image quality, which helps create a smaller file size. You can also adjust the image resolution based on your preference. Once you're satisfied with the settings, click Export. Rename the file if needed, then click Save. For now, open the file using any PDF reader that installed on your computer. As you can see, fonts, images, and colors remain exactly the same as in ODT file. Now, let's use the second option. Click File again, then select Export. You will see file type options. Make sure PDF is selected. Choose where you want to save it, then click Save. This brings up the same PDF options window as before. For better image quality, you can choose lossless compression, then click Export. Your file will now be saved and ready to be opened in any PDF reader on your computer. So, that's how you can convert an OpenOffice Writer document into a PDF file quickly and easily.